Once they come out with the coronavirus vaccine, I don't want to see any of you anti-vaxxers trying to get one. Do not be a hypocrite. What's up, Titans? It's Friday, April 3rd. I'm Efriata Barasu, and you're watching Bi-Weekly Titan Home Edition. If you're bored and need something to do in this time of isolation, stay tuned for a fun little recipe. But for now, let's see what's going on in the living room. Welcome to Live from the Living Room. Here are today's announcements. Ordering your 2020 yearbook is simple. Go to the link below and type in 13996 for the job number to select TC Williams High School. Then click Order a Yearbook to purchase. Don't forget, 2020 Congressional Art Competition entries are due Friday, April 17th. Submissions will be displayed at the National Art Education Association in Alexandria from April 27th to May 29th. ACPS food distribution centers and sites will not be open during spring break. They will resume all normal food distribution on April 13th. Families will be able to pick up additional food on Friday, April 3rd to help them through spring break. On Saturday, April 4th, the Alive Food Program will provide families with emergency subsistence food, enough for about 1 week for a family of 4, from 8:30 to 11 a.m. at John Adams Elementary School and Leonard Chick Armstrong Rec Center next to Court Kelly. The city will be operating a grab-and-go meal distribution from TC Williams High School on the Chickapin side on Wednesday, April 8th and Friday, April 10th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. The application for students interested in becoming a part of the Governor's Health Sciences Academy, or GHSA, is now live at the link below. The complete application consists of personal information, student essays, recommendations, and interviews. The application deadline is still to be determined. If you would like to help out our Alexandria community, the TCW PTSA encourages donations to either Act Now, COVID-19 Response Fund, Alive, or Volunteer Alexandria. Links are beside me. Any and all donations are welcome to help our neighbors and our community members. We have a new segment for you guys, and it's called Cooking in Complete Lockdown. Let's see what we have today. Thank you to Rosie Fisher for that amazing recipe. To start today's Titan DIY, Ms. Ship, CIS teacher, shares her experience with using the Zoom app. Haven't used it yet? Let's see how Ms. Ship uses it.
Hi, my name is Miss Jess, and I teach computer information systems at TC. I am super excited that Ms. Zefran asked me to share with you guys how I'm using Zoom in my classroom. So let's get into it. So here's what I'm going to do really quick. I'm going to mute everybody. When you want to talk, you can unmute yourselves, okay?
Yeah, we can see it.
You can see it? Okay, thank you. I'm gonna put this little chat box up. What we're gonna do, I kind of want to run through a couple of things with you guys, which is on this agenda. Actually, for this, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen and we're gonna go one by one and we're gonna say our name and our class period and our grade and just like generally how you're feeling. Does that sound doable? One of the things that I found a little challenging was getting my videos onto Canvas very seamlessly, like in a way in which the kids just see an embedded video that they can go ahead and hit play. And I've realized that the easiest way to do that is to use YouTube. You can also see 33 kids watch this, so that means I reached at least half of my kids so far between the combined class in person, live with Zoom, and then posting the recording. So that is nice to know.
Don't fart in an Apple store.
Because they don't have any windows. So yeah, okay.
Thank you, Ms. Ship, for that great information. Next week is spring break, meaning we won't see each other until April 15th. Well, until then, I guess. See ya. And hey, make sure you stay home and be safe.